Hello traders, welcome to Highest Forex. I'm Highest Zider, and in this video I want to talk about fundamentals. I want to give you guys some tips about trading the fundamentals. As you all know, this week is really hot. It's going to be, or it's already happening, a lot of events and news release this week. And yesterday was a good one. We have the FMOC statement, and it was really impactful in the market. Now, what I want to talk about mostly is how this news affects the market. Sorry about the notifications. Now, I got DMs from you guys asking me if does the news change the direction of the market, or does it direction of the technical analysis, or does it ride in it, or does it increase the volatility in that same direction. Now, I want to show you guys something. This is a NAS 100, right? This was our weekly analysis for our VIP. This is the weekly analysis we have on our watch list. You can see very well we're looking to short NAS 100 to the 90%. That is our technical. That was a technical analysis. No news. It was a weekend, and then we're looking to short NAS 100 to the 90% of this ascending pattern you see. And clearly today you can see we hit the 90% already. Now yesterday, this is a 1 hour chart. So yesterday this was the news impact. This was the news impact yesterday. This particular candle. Now it was the news impact yesterday when the statement was going on. Something like that statement news, it doesn't have the actual and then the forecast is a statement. So it's when the data is all done that, or is being the meeting is being held. That is when the impact is being carried in the market. Now, two things I want you guys to pick from what I'm going to say today is, be it at the back of your mind that the fundamentals does two things to the market, to your analysis. It does two things to the technicals. It's either the fundamental increases the volatility of what you are holding, or the direction you are looking for, or it is giving a counter to give you an entry for the direction you are looking at. The fundamentals never changes the direction of the market, but literally fundamentals are for what? To sweep liquidities, because a lot of you have a lot of reasons to take your trades where you thought you have taken them and are looking relevant, and then when the fundamentals come, it definitely sweep the stop losses of people or traders holding already the sell in that same direction. It will go.
It's 3 o'clock.
It will go the other direction to sweep them, and then when it's done, it will give you an entry. It gives you an entry if you see a fundamental going against your direction, then it is going to mitigate an entry. It's going to give you an entry, because when this happened yesterday, then we looked deeper into the market. We had this break of this low, right? So we're literally looking for another block here, or our entry criteria, so we can get to sell. And then if I dive down the time frame, you get to see that that's what it actually did. It actually went to give an entry. Now there's what we call the traps. So it actually caused an SMC trap here. If you understand the SMC strategy, it caused an SMC swap and swept it, and then it dropped down. So, like in my community, the criteria 3 we use for entries, we're supposed to catch this sell perfectly. After the sweep, we're supposed to catch this sell perfectly. So please remember, put it at the back of your mind that the fundamentals is always riding the technicals. But what it does to the technical is either it goes against the initial entries of technical traders for it to come back, for it to go into a better entry spot, or it launches into your direction and helping your current trade into better profit. I also have example on BTC as well. BTC also in my community, you can see BTC we have a selling bias, right? We are looking to sell. We're looking to sell BTC in my community, and then what happened yesterday? Let me show you guys the news impact. So if we had this low broken, and then this was our entry, interest. This was the spike yesterday from the news. You see the spike. What happened is that it went back to give what? a re-entry. If I'm to dive to 15 minutes time frame using our entry criteria, which I can't teach you on here, solely taught to our premium community. Using our entry criteria, it only went back to give us another entry. It came for a re-entry. So instead of being scared of the volatility in the market and leaving the market, we were confident enough we know that we are supposed to add more of the cells, and you see today it's still diving down, and definitely we are looking for it to short till the 17th. You understand? So that's what the what's it called, the fundamentals does to the market. This is the first scenario. Now the second scenario is from a gold trade we took. I think it was the day before. Let's see. I think I also have it on this free WhatsApp group. If you want to join the free WhatsApp group, look in the description below. You get a link to it. There was a gold trade we took. Let me quickly look for it and then play back the video. All right. This is the gold trade. All right. It was a sell from this ends. I have to look exactly for the particular. All right, this is the gold trade we took. Was it on the first of November? There was a fundamental that a news that affected the market that very day. I wish I can find its signal. I gave the signal on here too, but I can't really filter out all of it now. I can't really filter all of it now. So this was the trade, right? You see, we took the sell from there, and then you see the candles. This is a fundamental candle. This is a news impact. You see, it was in our direction. So this is the second scenario. It's either in your direction, launching the trade greater into your profit, or it is going against you, the trade you took, for it to give you a better entry. That is what the fundamentals does to the market. Thanks for watching.